Creating and editing models with spBeam is intuitive and easy. When starting a new project, spBeam will give you the option to start a blank project or use a predefined template. The project left panel is open by default when you create a new file or load an existing file. Here, you can enter or modify various project properties and information. You can also select the run mode and choose whether to consider torsion or not. The icons in the ribbon let you enter different scopes of the program. To create multiple spans at once, click the Generate icon. You can enter the number of spans times span length to create multiple spans of same length or enter individual span lengths by separating them with space. Let's leave the left cantilever to adjust to support face. For the right cantilever, select User Defined and enter 5 feet. The table in the left panel can also be used to adjust the individual spans. To add span elements, enter the span's scope. Slabs, longitudinal beams, and ribs are available. To add a beam, make sure that the Beam tool is selected. Enter the desired parameters in the left panel and click on the span you want to assign them to. Dragging your mouse over a group of spans assigns the same beam to multiple spans at once. Slabs and ribs can also be added in the same way. Support elements can be added using the support scope. Columns, capitals, transverse beams, and restraints are available. Let us add columns to the supports. Make sure that the column tool is selected. In the left panel, adjust the dimensions as required and drag over the supports. Notice that the left cantilever adjusted to the support face as previously set. The same process can be followed to add the other support elements too. Using the load scope, you can assign area, line, point, support, and lateral loads. spBeam allows users to add to existing loads or replace them completely. If you have already defined a load case in the Definitions dialog, simply select it from the Load Case drop-down menu in the left panel. You can add new or edit existing load cases by clicking on the defined scope and navigating to Load Cases. Using the Load Combinations panel, you can add and/or edit the load combinations. Click OK to save the changes. Notice that the changes made in the Load Cases panel are reflected in the Load Case drop-down menu. Let's add 600 pounds per linear foot as dead load and 1,500 pounds per linear foot as live load to all beams. spBeam also supports a multi-viewport environment. This makes it easy to view and compare two instances of the model together. The Select scope can be used to select and edit various items in your model. Objects in the active viewport can be edited using the tools available in the left panel toolbar. These tools are also available in the right-click menu. Extra selected items can be easily deselected in the left panel. All object properties and assigned loads can easily be selected and edited in the left panel. In this case, a load increase is applied to the third and fourth spans. Any change in one viewport is reflected in the other. Here, column dimensions are revised for the third and fourth supports, and the upper portion of the last column is removed to represent an open patio. Various items in the model can be toggled on or off using the Display Options panel. This makes it more convenient to inspect your model and make changes if required. Any created model can be easily rendered in 3D to get a feel of the actual structure. Thank you for watching. Please visit StructurePoint.org for more information.